Boatshed Wales is pleased to present for sale this Sunrise 35. Renowned as a well-regarded performer, this cruising yacht is built to cover miles with ease while delivering an exhilarating sailing experience. Innovative design provides both performance and comfort, making the Sunrise 35 a standout in its class. The spacious interior remains welcoming to this day, offering two large private aft double cabins and a forward V-berth, ideal for accommodating friends and family. The thoughtfully designed galley and heads ensure practicality and usability while underway, and the forward-facing navigation station includes dedicated seating and ample space for charts. On deck, the generous cockpit comfortably accommodates crew, and the deep-sea locker provides abundant storage. Re-engined in 2005, this vessel is powered by a reliable 28-horsepower Jeanneau 3 GM diesel engine. Photographed afloat on her mooring, the yacht has since been moved ashore for winter storage, ensuring easy access for viewings. If you're seeking a performance cruiser with impressive space, Grand Slam deserves your attention. Inquiries and viewing requests are warmly welcomed.